Huawei has started production of its triptych foldable and is about to release it for sale, according to information leaked by Digital Chat Station. However, remember that a leak is not a presentation, but I am definitely very excited to learn about this Huawei device. Although I am almost sure they will only release it for sale in China, let's hope it has a global launch because it is the first device of this category. We are not just talking about a book-type foldable, but a foldable that has 3 zones on the screen and therefore could transform a smartphone into a full-size tablet, not into a kind of square tablet like the current foldables do. And for better reference, it is said that this external screen will be 10 inches, so as I mentioned, it would reach the size of a small tablet, but with horizontal screen proportions to give you a more traditional workspace. According to information from Digital Chat Station, the thickness of this device will not be as impressive as the thickness achieved in fold-type foldables, although it is obviously making a reference to the thickness that Huawei has achieved in this type of foldables. So the triptych foldable is probably a bit thicker than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but I don't think it will be much thicker. With this, Huawei could get ahead of Samsung in being the first brand to present a foldable of this style. Rumors said that Samsung was willing to sacrifice everything to ensure that no one would take the title of the world's first triptych foldable from them. But it seems that Huawei has managed to anticipate this and has already started production, because it is said that this device could go on sale in September with a rumored price of around 15,000 yuan, which is more than $2,100. Evidently, it would be an excessively expensive device for being the first of its kind with 2 quite advanced hinges, and over time, surely these types of products will decrease in price. However, I think they are much more attractive than the foldables we currently have because you gain much more space in a super compact format.